Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this month of February 2026, the Patch Tuesday updates for Microsoft products actually fix 58 different flaws, which is a small number. If you compare that in recent months, it's been often over 100. So we can almost say it's a small month if it was not for the fact that there are some zero-day flaws. So, of course, there's fixes for Windows 10, for Windows 11, and if you want to check it out or apply them immediately, of course, you go to Windows Updates and you check for updates. My update history here for Windows 11 is showing you that it's KB 507-7181, and it brings your build to 26,278.40. And if you're on the extended support of Windows 10, well, you are also getting the updates for this month. Now, in here, 25 elevation of privilege vulnerabilities, 5 security feature bypass, 12 remote code executions, 6 information disclosure vulnerabilities, 3 denial of service, and 7 spoofing flaws. So this is interesting. The actively exploited 0 days. What are they? One is the Windows Shell Security Feature Bypass vulnerability. The next one is a MS-HTML Framework Security Feature Bypass vulnerability. So this is a actively exploited feature bypass flaw in Windows. Microsoft Word Security Feature Bypass. So one is for Word. Desktop Windows Manager Elevation of Privilege vulnerability. So this is an attacker can successfully exploit this vulnerability and gain system privileges. The other one is the Windows Remote Access Connection Manager Denial of Service vulnerability. There's also a Windows Remote Desktop Service Elevation of Privilege vulnerability. So these are in effect all exploited in the wild already. So as long as you don't have the updates installed, you are not you are vulnerable to easy attacks on the web. So 5 are for Windows, 1 is for Microsoft Word. And there's a lot of important and high vulnerability flaws everywhere within Windows, the Windows Win32K, GRFX. Subsystem for Linux has some flaws, Windows NTLM, Notepad, Windows HTTP, SYS, and so on. Lots and lots of flaws that are being fixed within Windows itself. So do take the time to check it out. And of course, as time goes by, we'll see how well this is rolling out across the Windows platform. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.